Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Hobbyist Artist and in today's video, I am drawing Buzz Baby, one of the most iconic cartoon baby characters out there, with his confident tattoo, serious expression and adorable proportions. It's always fun to sketch, so let's get right into it. To start, lightly sketch the basic shape of the head. Buzz Baby has a big, rounded head that is a part of his signature style, so exaggerate the size a bit to make it cute and cartoony. I am keeping my lines loose and soft at this stage because this is just the base structure. Don't worry about the size yet. This part is all about blocking in shapes. Next, add some guidelines across the face to help place the S and facial features correctly. Even though Buzz Baby has a cartoon design, proportions still matter. His eyes sit a bit low on the face, and his eyebrows play a huge role in showing that classic confident look. So it plays to keep lines worse. Brows will go into larger oval shapes. Underneath for the S. Now we begin drawing the S. Buzz Baby's eyes are expressive but simple, slightly sleepy looking but full of a tattoo. He adds the eyelids first, then the pupils, keeping everything symmetrical. Then he draws the eyebrows with a strong downward angle to give him the intense BOSS-LK expression. This is one of the most important features of the whole drawing. Once the eyes are done, we move on to the nose and mouth. His nose is tiny, just a small curve, and the mouth is a little smack. The small smack captures his confident personality perfectly. He makes sure the mouth sits slightly off-centered to give it more character. After finishing the face, he sketches the ears and outline the head shape more cleanly. Then it is time to draw the hair. Buzz Baby's hair is short, net, and combed to the side. He sketches small strokes to show the action and texture. Even though it is simple, the hair helps add realism to the drawing. Now we draw the body. Buzz Baby's proportions are very exaggerated, big head, tiny body. Start with the collar of the suit, then draw the shoulders, the tie, and his adorable little hands resting together. The suit gives him that formal, serious look even though he is just a baby. He keeps the shapes rounded and soft so the character stays cute. After the entire sketch is completed, he begins cleaning up the lines. He erases any messy guidelines and go over the final contours more confidently. This helps the drawing stand out and look polished. Next comes the shading. He starts shading the suit using darker tones to create depth and contrast. He shades the tie even darker. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked this drawing, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more portrait drawings, anime sketches, cartoon art, and much more. Leave a comment telling me what I should draw next. I always love hearing your ideas. This is Hobbyist Artist and I will see you in the next video.